Hello, friends. How is everyone doing so far? Yeah, so today I'll be sharing the method of cleaning impressions from your system. Cleaning all the impressions that we gather during the day, during our lifetime. We want to have a method where we release them one by one, let them go. Because as I said to you, that I gave you the example the other day that when an animal has to be stopped from running, the owner of the cow or the bull will tie a big log in its neck so that the animal shall not run, shall not charge at people, charge at other animals. So, in the same way, we have a lot of samskaras, we have a lot of burden that we carry, and this burden stops us from being resistant to illness. This burden stops us from being loving to others. This burden which we are carrying in our heart, in our system, stops us from progressing in life. It leads eventually to development of disease, and this disease will make your body tighter and tighter, denser and denser, and eventually result in something like tumors, something very terrible in your body. So it is necessary that we clear these impressions from a psycho-emotional system. So this is the method which I want to propose, and this is the method which you can use. It comes from the Sahaj Marg lineage, and if you want to practice this in a more extensive way with individual training, then I can also guide you to find that kind of certified trainer for absolutely free of cost. But before that, I'll share this wonderful method with you. It requires that we do not focus on any of our negativity. You don't need to focus on any of the negativity. It's like a washing machine, the washing machine doesn't focus on the number of clothes, the type of clothes. It just does its work of cleaning as per the setting. It cleans everything that is put inside the washing machine and lets out all the dirt. So in the same way, what we need to do is we need to just sit comfortably for this method of releasing impressions. So those who are joining in late, let me inform you that we are going to do a method for clearing the burdens, impressions in our psycho-emotional system. These are the burdens which eventually lead to some kind of disease, some kind of discomfort in our physical system, in our mental system. So let us try to create this comfort level by sitting very comfortably. Wherever you are, however you are placed is perfectly fine. Just sit comfortably, naturally, easily. And I'll guide you through a process of about 10 minutes, and you will be able to experience this releasing of impressions, this lightness. So at the start of this, we sit comfortably, take a deep breath. Just bring yourself to this moment, being present to this moment now. And I want you to just make this declaration in your mind that all the complexities and impurities are being removed from your back. All the complexities and impurities are being removed from your back. And now you feel your entire back, the back of your body, and you feel that all the complexities, impurities, negativities, disease, whatever is inside you is being pushed out like a smoke from the back of your body, pushed out from the back of your body as a smoke, as a vapor. Just imagining this. Everything from inside you which is negative, which is complex, is being released as a smoke. those of you who are joining late, please close your eyes and join us for this process for the next 10 minutes. We are feeling that all the impressions in our system are being released from the back as a vapor, as a smoke. So as if smoke is coming out from our back, steam is coming out from our back, and we are pushing out all these impressions in a very gentle manner. Without fighting with any of these impressions, just letting them go, not judging those impressions, just letting everything go, whether it's fear, anger, jealousy, whatever it is, let it just go. Don't judge it, don't label it. Let it just go out of your system as a steam, as a vapor. So we feel that our entire system is being cleansed. Our entire psycho-emotional system is releasing and letting go of all the impressions from the back of our body. The entire back is oozing out smoke, is oozing out vapors, and releasing all the dirt, releasing all the impression. And this is happening very naturally, without any focus, without any pushing. Just naturally we feel everything is being pushed out. Just as when you let the water come out of your washing machine, in the same way all the impressions are coming out as smoke from the back of your body. Just feel this and be with this imagination, visualization, whatever you call it, be with this feeling. And slowly increase the speed with which these impressions are coming out. Make it a little faster. Faster and faster, all the impressions are being pushed out, released, letting go from the back. And we just sit with this idea that all the impressions, all the sanskaras, all the psycho-emotional garbage is being exited, is being exhausted, is being evaporated from our back. And very important that we don't focus on any of the body parts or any of the impurities. We just let it go, let it go. When you clean your room, when you clean your house, you just let all the impurities go out. You just wash everything. You don't try to focus on any type of dirt or impurity. In the same way, during this process, we are not going to focus on any impressions. We are just going to release everything that is stuck in a psycho-emotional system at a subtle psychic level without using any terms. We are just going to let go from our back. It's an active process. We have to apply our willpower and be with this idea, be with this feeling that we are releasing everything from our back. It's not a passive process, it's an active process. Keep releasing quicker and quicker and quicker. Let the process of releasing become quicker now. Impurities from your whole system are being released from your back. All the complexities and impurities are gushing out of your system like an open tap. Keep doing this for the last 1 minute or so. As you keep releasing all the impurities, all the complexities, all the accumulations, you are feeling lighter and lighter. Slowly we slow down, slow down, slow down, and relax. And as we relax, we again make the declaration that all the complexities and impurities have been removed, have been cleansed. All the complexities and impurities have been cleansed. Make this declaration in your mind. And now feel the lightness that you feel inside you. Feel the light gushing into you from the front of your body. And feel the lightness, the lightening of the burden that's already happening. It is this lightness that leads to light, that leads to brightness. And slowly you may come back, slowly you may open your eyes. Thank you, friends, for joining. This is a wonderful way to cleanse our system, and it's a beautiful method. And I request and I recommend that all of you keep doing this during these days, especially in the evening when you've completed your day. Maybe before your dinner you can kind of do this cleansing method. Ideally not so ideal to do this before sleeping, but maybe before dinner, maybe 2-3 hours before you sleep in the evening, you could do this after your day's work or after your day's activities, and you will see tremendous amount of cleansing, tremendous amount of peace. And I thank everyone who has joined. Please feel free to use this video again and again and you can skip the initial introduction part and do the meditation itself. So thank you, CP, for joining. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Susie. Thank you, Celine. Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Yash. Thank you, Devya, Aurelia, Lola, Devi, Chikabel, Vivi, Philip, Birbanu, Nikish, Gauri, Majida. Thank you everyone for joining, and we conclude the session tonight. Have a wonderful evening, have a wonderful day wherever you are, and